Hi again, Ray. The next component to brief in is going to take some time to get your head around it. It's to do with the WPE member plugin, or a particular feature of the plugin, which I'll go into settings, this enable Google First Click Free feature. I bought and used this membership plugin over others because it has this Google First Click Free feature. So what is it? If you click read more here, you would find out what Google First Click Free is. Now, having said that, when I originally got this plugin, it was a number of years ago, they have now deprecated Google First Click Free. It doesn't necessarily work the way that it originally did. And it's going to take a little bit of reading, so I'll send you a number of links from WPE member, tells you about Google First Click Free, and then where Google is up to now with what they are doing for Google First Click Free. I could explain it in the video, but it's probably best that you have a read and then come back to me with questions. I've got a number of relevant documentation here that talks about it. Essentially, to talk about how does Google First Click Free relate to Scenic Gems. With the demo page, people can access all of this content 100% for free. But also the map page, I can't bring it up, I'm not logged in at the moment, but with all of the icons on it, you can actually get Google to index all of your paywalled content. Yeah, I don't want to go into it too much. It's quite in depth, but those documents I'll let you have a read. Essentially, all of the paid content, all of the premium content of my website is still able to be indexed by Google using a variation of Google First Click Free. So have a read of these documents, and hopefully we can have a chat once you've read them. Okay, I'll leave it there and we'll continue. Thanks, Ray.